If you're a Toyota owner who's interested in finding out the meaning of your VIN, this video's for you. The first step is to locate your VIN. It's a 17-digit number that you'll find on the dashboard. Peek through the driver's side windshield down toward the bottom corner of the dashboard, and you'll likely see a sticker there. On your door jamb, open your driver's side door and check for a sticker on the frame. Under the hood, pop the hood and look for a sticker on the underside, or in a few other spots, such as the window glass, under the spare tire, on the engine block, or stamped in the metal above the rear wheel driver's side. You can also look on the paperwork. Your insurance card or your vehicle registration will have the VIN as well. Secondly, let's break down the VIN number. Digits 1 through 3 contain the make, model, and manufacturer information. Digit 4 will tell you what safety features your Toyota has. Digits 5 through 8 will tell you the trim level, engine, and transmission of your Toyota. Digit 9 is a check digit, a security feature inserted by Toyota to verify the vehicle's VIN. Digit 10 is the model year. This digit shows you the year your Toyota was made. Digit 11 is the assembly plant. It tells you which factory put your Toyota together. Digits 12 through 17 are your serial number. These numbers are used internally by Toyota to identify your specific vehicle. For more information on decoding digit 10 to find out the model year of your Toyota, or to use our free VIN decoder, visit the link in the description below.